Just before we start, at some point of this video, I'll let you know how you can get access to brand new US TikTok account giveaway, so stay tuned and watch the whole video. Bye. Want to discover the next big thing in gaming niche that could skyrocket your social media presence? After stumbling upon this hidden gem on TikTok, I couldn't help but notice that the response was incredible. So I was like, hey, why don't I dabble into this and share it with everyone else? With that being said, get ready for an in-depth tutorial on how to turn this simple game into a content goldmine for TikTok, YouTube, and beyond. First off, this game isn't much different from the popular ones like Among Us or OSU that gamers often play and post about on social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok. In fact, many gamers are racking up millions of views with it. If you think you can't make money on TikTok because you're not in the creativity program, don't worry because you can still leverage YouTube. You can also check the description if you'd like to get into TikTok creativity program and start making money from your first post, no matter where you live. Okay, today there's no excuse for not diving in, unless you decide to stop watching this video right here. But I promise, it doesn't end here. This niche is still fresh, and you can be one of the early adopters or risk being late to the party. I'm pretty sure you'll either have played this game or at least seen it a couple of times on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. You might think these people are just playing a game, and you're correct. But the real question is, why aren't you joining them? If you're feeling hesitant to start because you don't know how, don't worry because Mr. Only here will guide you through everything you need to know. From how to download the app, how to play the game, how to add engaging music that makes your videos stand out, and even a secret tip on watermarking your videos so your account gains recognition. Let's start by heading over to the Play Store or App Store. Search for an app called Beat Bounce. Once you've found it, download the app. Open it up, and you'll be taken to a screen with a small tutorial on how to play the game. Don't skip this tutorial, as it's essential to understand the basics of the game. Just play through it, it's pretty straightforward. If you find it challenging at first, don't worry. You can retry as many times as needed until you feel comfortable with it. After completing the tutorial, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, you'll find the level editor, but it's locked until you complete one of the easy levels. So, let's go ahead and finish one of these levels. I've done this off-screen to save you time, but once you've done it, you can access the level editor. In the level editor, you can do so much customization. You can change the appearance of the game by adjusting the ball color, background color, music, lights, and even add your own name so people recognize you while watching your game. Let me show you how to do this. Click on the level editor. You'll see options for loading a sample or creating new music. Choose Create New, and then click on the Beat Bounce free music library. Here, you can browse through different tracks, listen to them, and pick the one you like. For this tutorial, I'll choose 7 Rings by Ariana Grande. Download it, and then go back to the previous screen and select Import MIDI file. Choose the file you just downloaded. The app will give you a preview of how it sounds. If you like it, click Next. Now you'll be taken to a screen where you can enter your account name or your own name. This is a great way to get recognition as your name will be displayed while people watch your game. You can also set the game difficulty from easy, medium to hard. For your first few games, I recommend setting it to easy. Click Next, and you'll see a preview screen showing how the game will sound with the ball bounce. If you're happy with it, click Save. Next, let's customize the game screen. Starting with the wall type, you can choose from various colors and styles. There are so many options, so pick one that you like. For this tutorial, I'll stick with the default one. You can also customize the environment, whether you want it to be day, night, or evening. The ball color is another customization option. Just like other features, there are many colorful options to choose from. Pick one that catches your eye. Additionally, you can add elements to the game like rails, tubes, planes, or even text. Let's add some text and make it our account name. Choose text, type in your account name, and you'll see it appearing on the screen. I'll also add a plane to show you how it looks. Once you're done with all your customizations, click Publish. Now you're ready to play the customized level. Before starting the game, you'll see your name and the music you picked earlier displayed on the screen. That's it. The level is cleared. And just a friendly reminder, not a lot of viewers watching my videos have hit that subscribe button yet. If you're enjoying this content and finding it helpful, consider giving that subscribe button a tap and turning on notifications. Now that we've finished the tutorial, let's move on to editing the video clip. We'll use CapCut to remove any boring elements, like the arrows on the sides of the screen. Open CapCut and bring in your recorded clip. Click on it, then choose the crop option. Carefully adjust the crop box until the arrows disappear. Zoom in a bit to make the clip fit the screen perfectly, and make sure you crop out anything else that shouldn't be seen in the video. And There you have it. We've transformed a boring clip into a clean and engaging short video ready for posting. Creating and posting these videos doesn't take much time. You can produce 1 or 2 videos per day without much effort. Once you set up the game, it only takes about 3 minutes to finish a video. Take those 5 minutes each day to create these videos and post them on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Consistency is key, so keep producing and sharing your content regularly to maximize your reach and engagement. Engagement with your audience is super important when building your platform. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to like and share your videos. Building a community around your content can significantly boost your visibility and growth. Use the insights and analytics provided by platforms like TikTok and YouTube to understand what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy based on this data to continually improve your content. Okay, the giveaway time. If this video gets 200 likes, I'll give 1 US TikTok account for 1 subscriber as a giveaway. So hit the like button and comment TikTok automation, and you are participating in the raffle. Now back to the video. Lastly, let's talk about staying motivated and inspired. Content creation can sometimes be overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. Set realistic goals and celebrate small milestones. Keep experimenting with new ideas and formats to keep the process exciting. Remember, the journey of a content creator is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, keep learning, and enjoy the creative process. Diving into this new niche can be a game changer for your online presence. With the right approach, tools, and mindset, you can create engaging content that not only entertains but also builds a loyal audience. So take those 5 minutes each day, be consistent, and watch your reach and engagement grow. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, dream big, hustle harder, and good luck on your content creation journey.